The Jainnher Machine Company Limited model JHC-18S plus 6-meter-long shape feeding collecting mechanism. This model uses high-grade casting iron FC-30 on the wheel dressing device and is precision ground and built. A hydraulic driving, non-stage speed change is good for even compensation. The regulating wheel can also be adjusted according to different work properties to achieve finished products with real straightness and high surface quality. All Jainnher S-Series centerless grinding machines use Japanese AC servo motors and are integrated with a unique axial design. The AC servo motor and spindle is driven directly by a timing belt to reduce vibration and noise. The AC servo motor provides control of speeds from 10 to 250 RPM with a digital control to display the real speed. Roughing and fine grinding may be carried out at will, which is extremely convenient for centerless grinding operators. This machine uses a 6-meter-long shape feeding collecting mechanism. This is suitable for grinding a workpiece with a diameter of 20 to 150 millimeters, a length of 4.5 to 6.5 meters by through feed grinding. It can increase the reliability and accuracy during the grinding process. The 6-meter-long shape feeding collecting mechanism includes a feeding stock frame, a hydraulic pushing device for feeding, a roller-type feeding device, a roller type for collecting device, a hydraulic pushing device for collecting, and a collecting stock frame. The roller feeding device and collecting device was designed by a heavy-duty service with a horizontal and vertical direction adjusting hand wheel. Jainnher's centerless grinding machine is convenient and easy to operate. A long bar workpiece placed on the feeding stock frame through the hydraulic pushing device loads the workpiece onto the roller feeding device. The roller feeding device carries the workpiece to the centerless grinding machine and through feed grinding and then to the roller collecting device. After complete grinding, the workpiece is pushed by the hydraulic pushing device to the collecting stock frame and the completed grinding process. This 6-meter-long shape feeding collecting mechanism can be used for automatic cycle grinding and manual control grinding and is easy to operate. This machine performs high-precision grinding in a fast grinding process with a long shape feeding collecting mechanism that will satisfy the customer's needs for long shape grinding.